You will need the SoClean CPAP adapter for ResMed S9. Detach the injection fitting and short hose from the main SoClean hose. You will no longer need the injection fitting and short hose. Save these parts in case you need them in the future. Remove the original lid from your humidifier by opening the lid fully, grasping it near the hinges, and pushing it firmly away from the unit. Remove the silicone gasket from the original lid and install it onto the new lid, making sure the gasket lies flat and fits over the two tabs. Install the new lid with the black injection hose by lining up the hinges and pulling firmly toward you until you hear a clicking in both hinges. Add water to your reservoir, if needed. When closing the new lid, make sure that the hose on the underside passes into the reservoir opening and rests near the bottom. Attach the reservoir lid stem to the main tube connected to the check valve assembly. To achieve a proper seal, firmly push down on the lid top until you hear a click.